TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials trading up 112. You get the NASDAQ up 17. S&Ps are up 3.5. Gold contract down $4.50, trading at $12.54 an ounce. We have the silver market down 10 cents, $16.44 an ounce. Platinum down $3, $9.23 an ounce. Copper market, huge move yesterday, up 10 cents yesterday, up another 3 cents today, or $2.87. That baby's making its way up to the $3 level. Oil up 31 cents, $48.21. That also had a big move yesterday. We're going to have the EIA numbers out at 10:30 this morning. Bonds, 10-year note, flat, 125.19. 30-year bond down 5 ticks, 152.15. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, they did come down with volume yesterday. They had wide price spread. That being said, they're coming into their lower swing point, which has tremendously more volume. So we'll see how that's going to handle that lower swing point. King dollar. King dollar up 132 ticks, trading at 94.020. Now, King dollar looked like it was going to get off the low yesterday. It got into a lower price, rejected it. Start moving slightly higher. Guess what? This morning wants to give it up again. 2 o'clock this afternoon, you have the Fed statement coming out. The market's not expecting a raise in short-term rates, but whatever is in that statement, that's going to throw a bit of volatility into this currency market as well as the bond market. The euro is trading at 116.25 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 111.8 to the U.S. dollar. We go and we take a look at the SPY. What you have, you get an all-time high out here. SPY's trading out at 247.72, and that would have to get back inside the 245. So that's 2.5 points over where it broke out from. Dow Industrials, we take a look at the Dow. Inside the Dow, you have the Dow up 115 points. Now, that being said, this is quite a move, and the move out here this morning is all about Boeing. Boeing is putting 114 positive points into the Dow Industrials out of the 116 this morning. So big number with Boeing out here going into the market. Bottom line, you're at higher highs. The composite, we're going to have Facebook come out after the you have the Fed at 2 o'clock. We have Facebook at 4:15. The composite, we're at 64.30, all-time high. 63.41. It would have to basically get back underneath that for lower price. NDX 100 also at all-time highs. NDX. Now, the difference on the composite and the NDX is this. The NDX, we're at 59.51. The 58.97, call it 5,900. That's the number you want to watch because we've been over that now for 6 days, but just slightly over it. And Facebook is going to make a difference. Amazon's going to make a difference tomorrow. We go take a look at the gold contract. What we have gold is this. Gold contract got down to 1243 today. You had 112,000 contracts. You're at 1248 right now. And what's happening is that it's coming into its strength. It's coming into that strength. Your volume contracting. The strength we're talking about would be 1234 to 1247. We got to the 1243. You're coming into 269,000. We're not going to do that out here today. We'll do a couple 100,000. So you're getting into that level, rejecting that lower price. Notes and bonds, those are going to be the spinners out here at 2 o'clock. Both notes and bonds, as I said a little earlier, they did come down in volume. 10-year right now is at 125.20. I expect what you're going to see here is that this thing is going to try to hammer into this 125.04 level. So that's still quite a move down with the 10-year. And that's where the 10-year had strength as it had come off the lows on the 21st. And King Dollar, this is no doubt, King Dollar continues to get zero love. King Dollar today tried to get up to the 94 mark. Bottom line, it's just making 94. No volume behind the move whatsoever. You're talking about 9,000 contracts. So King Dollar is going to do all of about 14,000 contracts out here today. That King Dollar wants lower price. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.